Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Github account to your VS Code editor so that you can easily push your project from your VS Code to your Github account without going to your browser to log in your Github and upload your project each time you make changes. So let's get started. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is to log out any Github account that's already logged in to your VS Code. So this is for those that is watching this tutorial that already have a Github account that's logged into their laptop and they want to log in a new one. So the first is to type GH-alt logout. So this is going to log out any Github account that's already logged in your VS Code. So now after doing this, now we're going to log in again a new account. So to do that, just type GH-alt login. So when you do that, it's going to ask you, where do you use Github? So you just click enter. It's going to ask you, what is your preferred protocol for Git operations on this host? You click enter for HTTPS. It's going to ask you, authenticate Git with your Github credentials. Just click Y. Just type Y and click enter. So it's going to ask you, how would you like to authenticate Github CLI? So just click enter along with your web browser. So this is going to show you first copy a one-time code. So this code, we are going to input it in our Github account. But to do that, just copy this, then go to your browser where you logged in your Github. You can see currently my Github is logged into my browser. So I just open a new tab and put in this and click enter. So when I click enter, it's going to tell me verify my device. So you need to first log in your Github to your browser. So I'll just click continue. So now it's going to tell me to put in this code that is here. Yeah, so I'm going to type the code. So after typing the code, I'm going to click continue. So when you click continue, it's going to ask you to authorize Github. So just click authorize Github. Now to confirm access, I need to put in my password. So I'm going to type in my password. So now you can see congratulations. So when we go back here, you can see now it's showing authentication complete, GH configure set and everything. So you can see everything has been fully set up. Now this is not where you need to stop. Now the next thing you need to do is to set up your global username and email. This global username and email is going to show when you push a project. So like when you commit a project. So how do you do that? So you just type for the username, just type git config, then dash global, then user.name, and I'm just going to put my username, which is Devostin. I'll click enter. Then the next one is my email, so I'll type git config dash global user.email. Then I'll just put in my email. Then I'll click enter. So this is it. So with this, you can try pushing a project to Github. So let's try it out. Let's create a new repository and push a project. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to come to my Github. I'm going to click my account. I'm going to click your repositories. And I'm going to create a new repository. Then I'm going to call this testing. Then no description, public, yes. So I'm going to create a repository. So after creating it, the first thing we need to do is let's create a file, just index.html. Then I'm just going to create the boilerplate. So then I'll clear this. So the first thing we need to do is initialize Git as we normally do. So I'm going to do Git init. Then I'm going to type Git add all. This Git add dot means Git add all. So I'm going to type it. Then I'm going to do Git commit -m update. So now it has updated. So the next thing you need to do is just add the remote origin. So I'm going to copy the first one, paste it. Then I'm going to copy the Git branch main. I'm going to click enter. Then I will now push it, which is the last one. So now you can see it has been successfully committed to my GitHub. So if I come here and refresh, now you can see the index.html. So this is how to connect your GitHub account to your VS Code and push a project in just few minutes.